Hello guys, welcome to the day 19th of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this problem, which is squares of a sorted array. So we are given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, which means it is in ascending order. Return an array of squares of each number sorted in increasing order, basically. So if in the example one you can see that you are given a nums array, and after you do the square of 4 it becomes 16, then this becomes 1, this will stay 0, this will become 9, this would become 100, right? So similarly you can see this here, right? But we need to increase a sorted in non-decreasing order, which means in increasing order. So after we sort it, so you can see that after sorting it becomes increasing order, right? And then that's what we need to return. So let's solve this problem. First of all, what I can do is I can initialize a integer array and call it squares array, let's say, and equals to new int, and it will have the size of nums array. So that's why nums.length, and then run a loop over this array nums I lesser than nums.length I plus plus, close it, and then squares array at position I would be equal to whatever is at the nums I position, multiply it again, because we are doing a square, right? We are storing square of each number. That's why we are writing nums at position I times nums at position I, and then storing it at the ith position of squares array. So using this loop, it will store value like this in the example after doing squares of each value in the nums array. And after doing this, we need to sort it in ascending order. So for that I'll do arrays.sort squares array. So this will basically sort the array in ascending order, and then simply return the sorted squares array. So let's run this. Okay, so our test case is passed. Now let's submit the solution. So we got a runtime of 7 milliseconds, which is great. Perfect. I hope you understood the solution, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.